Picture this moment. You are staring at the chart. Candles are moving fast, indicators are flashing, the setup is right in front of you, and yet your finger freezes. Not because you don't know what to do, not because the market is unpredictable, but because your mind is overloaded. Most traders don't fail because markets are hard. They don't fail because they're not intelligent. They don't fail because they lack strategies. They fail because Picture this moment. You are staring at the chart. Candles are moving fast, indicators are flashing, the setup is right in front of you, and yet your finger freezes. Not because you don't know what to do, not because the market is unpredictable, but because your mind is overloaded. Most traders don't fail because markets are hard. They don't fail because they're not intelligent. They don't fail because they lack strategies. They fail because complexity collapses under pressure. Every extra indicator, every additional rule, every new condition adds weight to your brain until execution breaks. This video is not about a secret indicator. It's not about a holy grail strategy. It's about a truth most traders avoid. Simplicity is the ultimate edge in trading, not because it's easy, but because it still works when everything else fails. Why complexity collapses under pressure. Trading strategies don't fail because markets are impossible. They fail because the human brain collapses under complexity. When you overload your mind with too many rules, indicators, and conditions, execution breaks down. You hesitate, you second guess, you break your own rules, you tilt, you become inconsistent. Complexity does not make you professional. Complexity makes you fragile. Many traders believe that the more complex a system is, the more powerful it becomes. So they add more indicators, more filters, more confirmations. They believe complexity equals sophistication. But complexity is not strength. Complexity is fragility. A trader with 15 rules hesitates when 14 align and one doesn't. A trader with 3 clear rules acts decisively when all align. One misses opportunities, the other executes consistently. The brain has limited bandwidth. Neuroscience calls this working memory. It can only handle a few pieces of information at once. When that limit is exceeded, performance collapses. Complex strategies demand more than the brain can handle. Simple strategies fit inside working memory. That is why they survive under pressure. In calm conditions, you may manage many rules. Under stress, after losses, during fast markets, your capacity shrinks. Under pressure, you can barely manage 3 rules. That is why professionals simplify, not because they know less, but because they understand pressure. Complex strategies create 4 failures: hesitation, rule breaking, tilt, and inconsistency. Simple strategies prevent all 4. Your strategy isn't failing, your brain is overloaded. Simplify, and execution transforms. The neuroscience behind trading decisions. Trading is not just charts and numbers, it is a battle inside the brain. Every hesitation, every broken rule, every impulsive trade is neurological. Your brain relies on working memory to make decisions. This system is small and fragile under stress. When overloaded with indicators, time frames, and conflicting signals, it collapses. Stress makes this worse. Money is at risk. Time is limited. Charts move fast. Under stress, working memory shrinks even further. The prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for discipline and rational control, weakens under pressure. Emotional centers take over. That is why traders break rules and chase losses. Complex strategies increase decision fatigue. Every extra decision drains mental energy. Simple strategies reduce decisions. They conserve energy. They improve execution. Hesitation happens when the brain receives conflicting information. Simple rules remove conflict. Clarity creates decisive action. Simple strategies become habits faster. Habits require little effort. That is why professionals remain consistent under stress. Confidence comes from clarity. Clarity comes from simplicity. Simple versus complex in real markets. Trader A believes sophistication equals success. He uses many indicators, multiple time frames, and many rules. On paper, the system looks powerful. In real markets, it collapses. Signals conflict, he hesitates, he misses entries, he breaks rules. Trader B believes clarity equals strength. He uses few indicators, one time frame, and clear rules. When conditions align, he enters. When rules say exit, he exits. No hesitation, no confusion. During news events, Trader A freezes, Trader B acts. After losses, Trader A changes rules. Trader B trusts the system. One burns out, the other survives. The difference is not intelligence, it is simplicity. The four enemies of execution. Execution is the bridge between strategy and results. Complexity creates four enemies: hesitation, rule breaking, tilt, and inconsistency. Hesitation comes from conflicting signals. Rule breaking comes from overload. Tilt comes from confusion. Inconsistency comes from fragile rules. These enemies feed each other and slowly destroy traders. Simplicity breaks the chain. Clear rules create decisive action. Clear rules protect discipline. Clear rules anchor emotions. Clear rules create consistency. Execution is psychological. Simplicity protects execution. The power of simplicity in building discipline. Discipline is the real edge in trading. Without discipline, no strategy survives. Complexity destroys discipline because it overwhelms memory and invites exceptions. Simplicity builds discipline because rules are easy to remember and easy to follow. Discipline is not willpower, it is habit. Simple rules become habits. Habits survive stress. Confidence grows through repetition. Repetition requires simplicity. Professionals design systems that enforce discipline through simplicity. Their edge is not prediction, their edge is execution. Simplicity is the ultimate edge. Trading is not about prediction, it is about survival. Survival depends on discipline. Discipline depends on simplicity. Complexity collapses under pressure. Simplicity survives. If you struggle with hesitation, rule breaking, tilt, or inconsistency, the solution is not more indicators. The solution is simplicity. Reduce your system, protect your psychology, build discipline. Your strategy isn't failing, your brain is overloaded. Simplify, survive, succeed. If this video helped you see trading more clearly, subscribe for more disciplined insights and comment below. What's the one thing you'll simplify in your trading today?